We were very active in the second quarter. We had reduced risk quite substantially towards the back half for the following reasons. The first is that we believe that as quantitative easing was coming to an end, it would be harder for risk assets and overall asset classes to perform well. It would take more good news for things to go better than people expected, and it would take less bad news to drive risk assets down or cause a correction. So that was point one. Point two is when you looked at where risk was priced generally in broader asset classes, people weren't being paid a lot to take risk. So implied volatility was very low, credit spreads were very tight, absolute yields on credit product were at all-time lows, equity multiples were at their highest since the crisis. So we felt because QE was ending, combined with the fact that you weren't getting paid a lot to take risk, it made sense to reduce our overall exposures. Now, the way we did that was we reduced our long-short equity exposure. We cut that in half from basically 6% to 3%. We swapped a lot of our exposures from higher octane event-driven equity managers that had a lot of upside capture if things turned out extremely well to more market-neutral exposures. And we also ramped up things that don't have much beta, like prepay-sensitive RMBS, credit-sensitive RMBS, and also Basel III bank recapitalization. So year-to-date through August, it's right around 44%. So that was the main changes we made primarily in the back half of the second quarter.
All investments are subject to risk, including the possible loss of the money you invest. For more information about SkyBridge Capital Multi-Advisor Hedge Fund Portfolio Series G, call 1-888-759-2730 to obtain a prospectus. Investment objectives, risks, charges, expenses, and other important information about a fund are contained in the prospectus. Read and consider it carefully before investing. This webcast is for educational purposes only. We recommend that you consult a professional advisor about your individual situation.